Aloha! Oh, it's a bit dark in here. Lights? There we go. I'm Krishna. This project is for Multimedia and Web Technologies class at Eastern Illinois University, which is taught by Dr. Rendong Bai. Today we'll be seeing how to work on 3D extrusion. Because I said we because I have a teammate whose name is Mani, who's right here with me.
Hi everybody, my name is Mani, and today we'll be looking about how to extrude a 3D object which is suitable to print using a 3D printer, and let's have fun.
So first of all, let's see what is the meaning of the 3D extrusion. I just opened up a random website on the Google search and I typed in 3D extrusion and I found this. So what the 3D extrusion says is it's a process of projecting features in a two-dimensional data source into a three-dimensional representation. So this kind of, when we give a 2D name, something like, for example, my name Krishna, so the output will be like a three-dimensional object where we can see all the 6 sides. As you know, for example, if the name is in the cube shape, it will have 6 sides. You can see all the sides of the object. So for example, this is a small demonstration of how a 3D printer prints the object. Oh, this kind of making a lot of noise, so I thought we'll reduce the noise. Okay. What this guy is trying to do is embed a name on this heart-shaped object. So he's using the white material in that, and he's trying to print. So mostly this kind of like take a long time. This particular heart will take about 6 hours to print because it measures each pixel in that and prints it. So for example, if we take a name, the final output of a name will be something like this. It says Susie Cooper. So this is a 3D printed object with 3D materials, and all the strings that are used. String that is used is white in color, so this is how we get the final output. So the next part of the 3D extrusion will be explained by my teammate Manikanta.
Okay, welcome to the presentation. First, we are going to create a new file in order to work on the design. Click New and then name the file M and K. I'm going to give it M and K because it's going to be a logo on M and K, Mani and Krishna. And we have a lot of presets here. We have taken web because it's got a nice resolution of 1024 by 768 pixels. So we have set that, and then click OK. We get the white space to work on. As we are creating a logo, I'm gonna take this text tool, and I'm gonna type M and K. If you have a look at the design, there's a space between M and K. In order to reduce that space, let me show you. First you need to select the 2 characters, then go to Window, Character, and then it is in 0, you can see that. Let me try 10. Yeah, it worked. So let me try 50. Yeah, that's perfect. So let's go ahead and we got some font styles here. We can even change them into whatever we want. Now let us extrude this M and K using 3D thing. First you gotta select layers, select this, click on the layer M and K, click 3D in the top bar, and then it says new 3D extrusion from selected layer. Do that. There you go. You got the 3D logo here. In order to set this printable, but you need to make it vertical. I mean, you gotta turn it 90 degrees using the x-axis. This is the coordinates option. First you need to select the element and then coordinates. It says minus 1.10. Let me change it to 90 degrees and this to 0. And I'm moving it to ground because you've seen in the demonstration it has to be on the ground. Let me try this one more time. Okay, it's alright. Let's change the depth of this thing. If you see this, yeah, that's perfect, right? Okay. Now let me move this to ground. Select the element and then move to ground.
It's actually on the ground, so you need not worry about that. And the second thing is, this is actually negative.
Oh so, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about this thing.
Yeah, now it'll be perfect because it'll be in the reverse.
Thanks, Krishna.
Yeah, you're welcome. There you go.
Yeah. How about having a sun behind M and K? That looks great, right?
Oh sure, I can do that.
Okay.
So let's have another object beside this M and K.
Yeah.
So for that you need to go select a new file.
Okay.
And give a different name for that.
Okay.
Let's have a sun?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's go with the sun. And the same presets will go with that. Okay. Because this is the perfect resolution for everything.
Yeah.
Press OK. We got a new space because don't worry about the previous one. It's right here in the another tab. Here we can work with the sun. And because there are some preset meshes in the Photoshop, by clicking this option we get some preset objects like this.
Is this same as 3D extrusion that I've done?
It's not actually the extrusion,
okay.
But this is called mesh from presets. It's like building 3D objects through the
okay, so
meshes.
It's pretty much like the same thing.
Yeah, it's kind of similar. So as you know, sun is spherical in shape, let's go with the sphere.
Yeah.
And press create. So now it's trying to create my sphere, the object I selected. Here I got the sphere. So you can see from any direction, it looks like a ball.
3D extrusion is awesome, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty much awesome.
Yeah.
And you can even change the color for this.
Okay.
By selecting the sphere material here.
I guess we can even change the texture of the layer.
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah.
So
let's give it a nice
golden color.
Yeah, nice orange color or something. Okay, gold.
Okay, let's go with the
oh yeah, color. That looks awesome.
Yeah, that looks like a golden ball.
Yeah.
Let's go with a different texture and as you said, the orange color.
Okay.
So we can change the color here. Let's say it's diffuse.
Okay.
And go to the color. Just select the color whatever you want.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the sun is about to set, so it's looking in orange in color. There you go. You got a different object here. Let's reduce the size of this so it'll be perfect in the other file. So,
awesome.
Yeah, we got an object here.
Yeah.
So the thing is, this name and this object need to be clubbed together.
Yeah.
For that, first you need to export this file. Export the 3D layer. Save the file in DAE format because that is the default format for 3D extrusion.
Okay.
I'll just save it in my OneDrive. And make sure this is set to PNG because it's a universal file format which can be accessible from any computer.
Okay.
So we set it to PNG and press OK. There we go. My file is saved. Oh, it's about to save. It'll take some time. Okay, we'll go to the previous one, and to get that file here, I'll just click the 3D, and now we need to import it from this option, new 3D layer from the file. Okay, I have a lot of files. There we go. I have only one .da extension file, so that is the one I made just now, and just open it. Like I need to give the dimensions for this because 71 inches is too large. I'll just give 2 inches. That'll be pretty much easy. Where is it? Oh, yeah, here I got it. I'll just move the object a little bit sideways. Okay. So actually these two are different files even now. So to club these together, what I gotta do is go to layers, press this little option here, and click on merge down. Now these two objects are merged together.
That's awesome, bro.
So this is the spear, or the sun, as you said. So let's move the sun somewhere else.
Yeah, right above the M.
Yeah. Okay, it's below this.
I think you're on the size.
Am I expanding the size?
Yeah.
I was moving along the axis.
Oh, cool.
Okay. First of all, let me rotate this so that it will be easy for me to move. Okay, there we go. So let's look at it from this angle.
Yeah.
There we got a sun, the name, and these are two perfect objects to print. That is how the 3D extrusion works.
Let's do a small thing.
Okay.
I want the sun over beside M.
Okay, then you gotta move along x-axis.
Awesome. And then y-axis.
Y, and also make sure if it is on the base, because if it is not on the base,
that's gonna be a problem.
So just click on the object, go to
coordinates, and then move to ground.
Exactly.
Awesome.
There we go. Unless and until it is on the base, the object will not print.
Okay. Can we merge these two, M and the sun?
That should be in the editing part. For now, we can just move it and just stick it together, but it's not like the character setting you did when you're doing the characters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe this will work, I guess.
Yeah.
So this is how we work on the 3D extrusion. Thank you for watching this. Have a great day. Signing off, Krishna and Mani.